Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we review anything and everything. And today we're taking a quick look at this is the Leatherman official pocket clip, and it comes with the lanyard loop. So the way this attaches on the Leatherman Wave, in this example, I believe this also would go for the Surge and the Charge, but you open up the lock for the inner tools, and then it slides right in. And as you can see there, lanyard loop. And for the pocket clip, they make off-branded ones that essentially probably do the exact same thing. Link's going to be in the description for you guys to purchase this on Amazon. Essentially, this plugs in this, lift this up. Of course, I did it wrong. Press that in to lift it up, lift it out, and slide it down. And then you let it go and it locks into place. That's pretty much it. This right here goes for $9 on Amazon currently of the recording of this video. They have a black version that goes for $11. It's kind of a steep price for something that should come included with the tool, but it doesn't. So here you go. Quick look at that. Quick review. Self-explanatory. Just a clip. If you need it, you need it. If you don't, you don't. It does fit in the case with it. I like to prefer to do it in like that rather than coming from the top down. I'm coming in this way because I just feel that there's more room to expand down below. So the bulky area should be down below, but that's my preference. Whatever's yours, you can put it in that way. And as always, you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.